Today we're getting curious about coding, more specifically about learning how to code. So the question is, what if anyone could learn coding anywhere at any time? Enjoy this what to wow on hands-on coding. So what is hands-on coding? Hands-on coding are blocks that make learning about computer programming fun. Who are they for? Well, anyone curious about how computer programming works and would like to start learning how to program. How does hands-on coding work? Well, each block represents a different code learners put together, like pieces of a puzzle, to create an algorithm and learn the logic of programming. Where can they be used? Well, the hands-on coding block allows you to turn anywhere you are curious to learn about coding. It could be your classroom at school, it could be your living room at home, it could be the playground down the road, to turn these into a learning space for learning computer programming. When can they be used? Well, since there's nothing to plug in, download, or connect, learners can use these blocks to code whenever they want. Now, why are they so incredible? Well, hands-on coding have tremendous impact as a learning tool because they can tear down traditional barriers to learning computer coding, such as electricity, internet access, or even that fear of math, allowing anyone curious to learn coding a solid starting point. So one of the amazing things about hands-on coding is that hands-on coding actually turns humans into computers. Make you go, huh? How is this possible? So when using the blocks to create the program, the run function of the code is being performed by the person moving the blocks, which is typically the computer, which is now you. Now, hands-on coding are really amazing for all the reasons we just discussed, but one of the really incredible things that gets me super excited about them is they allow anyone with the curiosity to learn about coding a pathway of discovery and fun to actually learn coding. Thank you again for your curiosity. Hope you enjoyed this one and stay curious.